In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in Microsoft Teams, whether you're using the desktop, web, or mobile version. It's a straightforward process and will make your collaboration much more organized and efficient. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your Teams app. You'll notice a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the different sections of Teams. Go ahead and select the section labeled Teams. Once you're in the Teams section, take a look at the bottom of your current list of teams. There, you will find an option that says Join or Create a Team. Click on this. This will lead you to a new page where you will see an option to Create Team. Give that option a click, and now you'll be faced with a few choices on how you'd like to build your team. You have three main options here. You can start from scratch, which means you'll be setting everything up fresh. If your organization offers it, you might be able to select from a template. Templates include preset channels and apps that might suit certain common tasks or projects. Lastly, there's also the option to build from an existing team or a Microsoft 365 group, which allows you to replicate an already successful setup. Once you've chosen how you want to create your team, it's time to enter a few essential details. First up is the team name. Think of something relevant and straightforward, since this is how your team members will identify the group. There's also an option for a description. This is a great place to add a little more context about the team's purpose or goals, although this part is optional. After that, you'll need to choose the privacy settings for your team. You have two main choices here: private or public. If you choose private, only invited members will be able to join the team, which is useful for work that needs to stay confidential. On the other hand, setting the team to public means anyone within your organization can find and join the team, potentially encouraging wider collaborative efforts. For those organizations that use sensitivity labels, don't forget to choose one that aligns with your needs. Once you hit that Create button, your new team is almost ready. Generally, Microsoft Teams will automatically create an initial channel for you, often named General. This channel acts as a default space for communication within your team. However, if the name General doesn't resonate, you can rename it to better suit your team's needs and objectives. And there you have it. You've just created a new team in Microsoft Teams. With these steps, you should be able to easily set up a collaborative space that's structured, efficient, and tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for joining us, and happy teaming.